Hi, today I'll be demonstrating 4 sign language gestures for sweets. Let's go. The first sign, you're going to take your index finger, place it to your cheek, and do this twisting motion. You just signed candy. The second sign, you're going to take one hand like so, the other from the letter C, and do this over it. You just signed candy bar. The third sign, you're going to form a fist, and you do this motion in front of your lips. Can you guess what that sign is? That's right, ice cream. And then the last sign, you're going to take your index finger in your middle of both hands and do this circular motion. You just signed donut. Alright, good job. So, let's try this once more, shall we? But this time I'm going to be silent, but the word will be here.